This cleansing balm removes makeup and impurities, and it hydrates the skin, and it removes the makeup using natural oils like sunflower and coconut oil. And I'm going to show you how to use it to remove makeup. So I've got the cleansing balm here, and I'm going to scoop out a little bit. Right here you can see it's super hydrating and rich. I'm going to take a little bit of the cleansing balm and I'm going to emulsify it just to warm it up a little bit so I can smooth it super easily on my skin to remove my makeup. And I'm going to remove it on the one side here to show you the difference. So I'm going to take a little bit and massage it into the skin and all over. Take a little bit more. Do it here. Massage it in. And then this is where I'm going to take the scrubber here. We're going to take this and I'm going to really massage it into the skin. There we go. It removed all of the makeup right away. It's great for dryness and dullness, and all skin types can use this product. And the best part about the cleansing balm is you'll recognize all of the ingredients. And all of our lemongrass spa products are gluten-free, cruelty-free, and this product is vegan.